Welcome, today I'll show you how to link or unlink your Bixby option from power key into a Samsung Galaxy A34. First of all, open your settings and then find Advanced Features option. Here go into Side Key option, and now on the bottom we got Press and Hold option. So here we got Wake Up Bixby or Power Off menu. If we choose, for example, Wake Up Bixby, let's try activate this, press and hold. And how you can see, our Bixby is activated. If you wanna unlink this option from power key, choose Power Off menu. And now let's try press and hold. And how you can see, Power Off menu is activated. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.